Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the front door. Enable two-step verification now and register both a recovery email and phone. Use a password manager to create and store a long, unique password. This prevents reuse across sites, which is the main attack vector. Once done, verify the recovery contacts so you can regain access quickly. Make sure to note backup codes in a secure place. They are your fallback when your phone is unavailable. Next, you harden the interior. Run Google Security Checkup and follow every recommendation it gives. Audit connected apps and revoke permissions for anything you no longer use, because third-party access is a common breach path. Adjust sign-in alerts and review recent devices so you spot unauthorized access fast. Also, enable app-specific passwords for legacy apps when needed and prefer OAuth connections. This limits exposure when a single credential is compromised. To finish, confirm recovery options and store backup codes offline. This completes your safe state. Enable device-level security, PIN or biometric, on every linked phone or laptop because device compromise bypasses weaker protections. Regularly export and check your account activity and update passwords annually or after any breach. If you encounter a lockout, follow Google's recovery flow precisely. Use the same device and Wi-Fi you typically use, and provide previously saved recovery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.